I need an email, Google will come up here to the top. I can search. So if I know who the email is from, so if I know it's from, you can notice Google does predictive text. So I can come up here and I can search by person. I can search by topic. And so you can see here's all my Vanguard emails. And so I can look and see if I want it just from Michelle, if I want a certain time, if I need one that just has an attachment. So I can search by my labels. So if I know I have a label called storyboard that, you can see that that label actually shows up. So I can click here. You can see here's all the emails it has that either in the title or somewhere in the body of the email. But if I click where it says label, it will take me to all the ones that's there. So here's all the emails I have about storyboard that.